Hello, welcome to UC Trades, guys. We're going to be talking about Ethereum. Ethereum and what is going on? What is this bullish cycle now back to a bearish cycle? It's crazy, guys. It's unbelievable. I mean, whoever shorted Ethereum from its all-time high has now probably gained quite a lot of money at the moment. And don't worry, I'm in for that too. So let's see how much we would have made. Okay, so we'll start from our target uh, down to shorten it back here. Right, if we were to buy, Ethereum at the moment, and of course having a stop loss over here, down here, and it went back up, flying back up, straight over to its all-time high, unless we're waiting for Bitcoin to go up in a stronger move, because if you do know that Bitcoin does follow, um, every altcoin in Ethereum follows Bitcoin on the long run. Um, but on the safe side of trading at the moment, if you were to buy it from this medium of 118, 1185, you would have potentially made, let's say, about 20% of profits. It's quite a good bearish run. Ethereum will jump back up in the weekend, and I don't doubt it going up. So let's have a look at the charts at the moment. So what we're going to do is delete that, and check it out. Right, so I'm going to start with our support and resistance move. Normally I would do this to correlate where our all-time high is and where our lowest point that firm could move downwards and upwards. So we've got straightforward, you have a small consolidation. Um, we're on a 45-minute chart actually. So if we go back to say 4-hour chart, I mean, doesn't look too bad. Ethereum just went up high on the 4th of, let's say, about December. If anyone bought from here, that would have been a major move for every single trader, because they would have made quite a lot of money from that small move alone. And following up to its all-time high to 1400, almost 1400, let's say, and then back to 1430, 1440. Yes. So as you can see, it's Ethereum just continues to rise, continues to rise, continues to rise. Just look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that baby. and look at that spike. Extremely important to know that yes, it may have hit such a far up um, for higher high, whereas it's reached another higher high. So can't you indicate that this can also tell there might be another higher high? So we've started from here, from the 4th of January, following up to the 4th of January straight, give another 4 days, 5 days, and that is a bullish run at the moment. So you've got one high over here, one low, high. There's a lot of room. There's a lot of room to make money here. I mean, a lot of people have been made millionaires at the moment. Whoever's bought Ethereum down when it was about, say, about 500, 600, $650 at the moment. So let's see. So all we should know that Bitcoin is it's a major cryptocurrency. It's the number one. It's Big Daddy. I mean, followed by Big Mummy, Ethereum, and all the other altcoins as the babies. And now Bitcoin is obviously lower, and it's about 31K. You can just tell that Ethereum does follow on with Bitcoin along, like a family. It's always a family of units. And you can see this is a really great bearish run. I mean, it's had its bullish run over here, up, you've got a lower high, you've got a higher high here, down, following a nice consolidation, you know, picking up from my support over here, and then you have a strong bearish run. So let's predict where we might be heading over. We might, you know, we might get a pickup from up here, or could go straight here, bounce back up. I mean, there's so many speculations about Ethereum going back up and up and up. It continues to drive up. So what makes you think it won't jump up? It hasn't even hit its entire strong target. It might be followed by, it might follow Bitcoin in a higher long run. And just look how continuously Ethereum just keeps going. I'm just going to keep scribbling and scribbling. It just doesn't stop going up. And on a long term hold, I'd say, you know, you're making quite a lot of money. I mean, if you were to be as patient as any trader, successful trader out there, you would make more than 10 grand from your single grand. And you know what? If I was any smart trader, I'd definitely buy from the dip. Wait down here where you can see, you know, you can see down here. Let's say if it's hit this support down the bearish line, then you know if it crosses that small bearish line, it will go down, downwards, hit this support. That's a good dip, but we also really want to retest it from this single support. At the moment, it does look like it's picking back up, but slowly it's increasingly becoming, you know, bearish. On a 1 minute time scale, you could just see it's continuously, you know, moving down. Looks like the institutional banks or maybe retail traders finding their short runs and short their profits from today. Everything's been bullish today, actually. So we might see a good long run over over a few couple of months. Looks like people have closed their short positions here. Sorry, open their buy positions here. Some people have bought from the dip here. Some people have, you know, opened their positions here. Looks like it's picking up slowly. And some people got their high hopes. I mean, look, it's retested, so that means, so looking at this, at these two, you've got a little bit of a hammer. So it could be a reversal pattern as we see with Ethereum. So it could bounce back up, or from another test trace, it will go down under my support line. If it doesn't, then we could see Ethereum go a lot higher than we would think it would go. And honestly, if I was to buy as of now, I would test this small candle. As long as it doesn't hit down this support, I would buy from the dip, and that's exactly what I'm waiting for. Um, I hope you like my scribbles at the moment. And a good overview. So if you do have any more ideas about where Ethereum is going, let us know down on the comments below. And if you look at the stock RSI, although you know indicators don't really tell much, it does look like it's bouncing back up in a small bullish run. But guys, let's get our high hopes and think, you know what, Ethereum will continuously run bullish. Cryptocurrency is big, it's massive. As long as you have your money held, do not sell under your buy. And yeah, tell us what you think. Sorry about these scribbles here. It's just a lot. Peace out.